So you just mentioned that you want to learn Python. So do not learn Python in manual way in 2025, because learning Python in manual way will take you like 6 months of your time. On top of that, you will be ultra non-productive in Python, because when you
Hi everyone, very good evening. I hope everyone is doing good. Can you please acknowledge that if my voice is all audible? Can we write it yes or yes, yes? Can we write it yes, yes, yes? Everyone please let me know if my voice is audible all. A very good evening, a very good evening. I just need your acknowledgement if my voice is all audible. Okay, that's good to know about it then. Hi, a very good evening, everyone. How are you doing? Please, can you let me know? I hope everyone is all good, all sorted. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Okay, that's good to know about it. Okay, okay, okay. A very good evening, a very good evening. Done, done, done. Okay. So, I would say, as per you are all being already known about it, like, okay, what exactly this entire bootcamp is being all around, right? This entire bootcamp we have, the sessions we have, is all about, right? Very good, very good. Okay, that's good to know about it. I got your acknowledgement. Let's just get started with it. With what is the cursor AI? Right? Okay, what is the cursor AI? Let's start and let's begin with it. Okay, I just need to know about one thing. How many of you have been already know or are being introduced with the term that's cursor AI? Come on, let me know please. How many of you are already being known about, okay, what is the cursor AI? Okay, okay, good to know about it. Good to know about it. Okay, I know it. Okay. So that's good to know about it. So now, today, our agenda is quite good. That's in what is the cursor AI. Okay. not known about it, knew it. Okay, so there is a mixed audience, right? Okay, there is a mixed audience kind of. So it's okay. It's all beginner friendly. Every single thing is all being the beginner friendly. We will be knowing about how to code, how to make the web app, the web application without, I would say, writing the commands. That's it. You do not need to know about any prerequisites. Nothing it's being needed. Any prerequisites, okay, and all. You are not being needing, okay, any of the thing. You should not known about like, okay, what is the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node, Express, as well as the MongoDB. Every single thing will be covered, okay, in these boot camps. Every single thing will be covered. Okay, right now you are being the beginner, but I promise you that by the end of these boot camps, okay, you will be a professional coder. Okay, you will be a professional kind of a coder. Mark my points, right? But I will only tell you one thing is, please focus on to the during the boot camps, and we will be making it very kind of a beginner friendly towards the advanced friendly. Right now, I would be saying to you, okay, the points are being quite good over here, that what we are being starting, right? Before we dive into it, let me ask you, how many of you have used the GitHub Copilot or the ChatGPT for the coding? How many of you have used that? GitHub Copilot or the ChatGPT? Come on, everyone. I just wanted to know about it. How many of you have used the GitHub Copilot or the ChatGPT? Okay. Okay, got it. Me. Okay, Nader. Okay, Nirpuna. Okay, got it. Pratham. Okay. Got it. Anandi. Okay, got it. Shweta. That's perfect about it. Like, okay, that you all at least know what is all about. Right? Okay. Now, the point is quite simple. Like, the questions might be arising onto your mind. Ma'am, is it a paid? Okay. Or ma'am, is it like, okay, do we need to pay any amount or anything like that? Every single sort of your queries would be sorted. Every sort of like, okay, your queries would be compiled, and I'll be telling you how exactly without writing even a single code, the cursor AI itself is going to code for you. It's gonna writing, okay, thousands of lines, hundreds of lines, millions of lines itself. Okay, you just want it with the help of commands. Your website should be ready, your app should be ready. So we will be making your web app, right? Okay, over here, let me just clear it. Obviously every single person of us have used the ChatGPT, have used, okay, that prompts, have used the GitHub Copilots and everything, correct? Now, what is the Cursor AI? Cursor AI is a same friendly tool, or I would say a family kind of a tool as being there, but it is just an autocomplete. It's in just an autocomplete. But one thing more, I would be saying that it is the next generation AI powered code editor. I would say, like, okay, I'll repeat it, like, it's in next generation, okay, of AI powered code editor. Why I'm saying that? It's an AI friendly, intelligent. Who don't want it to be intelligent, right? Every single person over here has to be intelligent, right? Because we don't have the certain sort of time period. We don't have any sort of like, okay, that particular like, okay, let's wait for like, okay, learn about HTML, learn about CSS, learn about like, okay, JavaScript. It will take our like, okay, 4 months, 3 months, 6 months, okay. Then let me just make the website. No, the point is completely wrong. Why? We do not have the time with us. We do not have the time. Right now, let's say I got a call from my HR, let's say, and he says, give me your portfolio. Okay, let's see, he says, give me your portfolio. Do I need to learn about HTML? Do I need to learn about CSS? Do I need to learn about the JavaScript and all? No, I do not want to. I will simply give a command to my Cursor AI. I will simply make an account on the Cursor AI and I'll give it the command please make a portfolio website comprising this kind of features inside it. And within a quick minutes, your website is being ready, your web app. Now, why I'm saying web app? Okay, what is a web app? The point is quite simple, that ma'am, what does a web app means, correct? Any website what you are just making, okay, any website, okay, whatever you are just making and all, it should run on all kind of, okay, I would say browser, web browser, whether you are working in any kind of a web browser, Safari, Google Chrome, any of it. But what it is being happening nowadays is, let's say you are making a website and it should be friendly to be used onto your mobile phones also. It should be friendly onto, like, okay, how do you are using onto your mobile phones, right? Now the point is quite simple. Okay, the point is quite simple onto it is, ma'am, I just need to be using the website that it should be friendly on my tablet also. It should be friendly onto my mobile also, right? Okay, it should be friendly on my Samsung phones, Android, iPhones and all, right? It has a beneficial amount of the things, right? Okay, as I've detailed explained, there's that it will work onto all the web browsers. It will work either onto the client side or the server side. Now, if I'm using such words, client side and the server side, I'll be telling you also that why do we need to use into the client side and the server side, right? What is a client side and what is a server side? Okay, how many of you know about it? Like, okay, what is a client side and what is a server side? Come on everyone, just let me know. Come on everyone, please let me know how many of you know about what is a client side and what is a server side. Tell me please. How many of you know about what is a client side and the server side? Okay. Now, okay, let's make a sense, okay, about it. Like, okay, what is a client side and the server side? Client side is the side where you work, a user work, right? And what you know it, okay? I would say you have a home, correct? What exactly it's looking from the outside, okay, what exactly it's looking from the outside is the front end side, what you are able to see it. Now, very good, Chirag, very good. Okay, very perfect about it. So what it does, it really happens, okay, what it exactly really it happens is, on an electricity board, let's say, okay, there is an electricity board. What it happens on an electricity board and all, that you see the switchboards are being there, right? Okay, like this, the switchboards are being there where you put, like, okay, your chargers and all, and it get connected to your mobile phones, correct? Now what it happens is, when you have the switchboards and everything, whatever the wiring has been happened, whatever the logics has been applied, okay, behind the switchboard is the backend. But what you see the output, okay, right now, that you put the charger and your phone is getting it charged, that is what it is known as, basically, is the user side, okay, or you can say the client side. Very nice, I got a lot of answers, right? Okay, that's really good of you. Now, perfect. Now it comes towards the next point is Cursor AI, the next gen code editor. Now Cursor AI is being built onto the VS Code, the top of the VS Codes, right? I hope everyone is all comfortable with the VS Codes, right? Every single person over here is being comfortable with the VS Codes, right? Come on everyone. Every single person over here is being friendly to the VS Code, correct? Okay, getting the answers, please. Right. Okay, got it. Please let me know. Got it. Okay, Pratham, yes ma'am. Nadir, yes ma'am. Okay, Teja, yes. Okay, what about rest of you guys? Okay, so many of that is basically yes ma'am. Now I'll tell you what is a VS Code also. Now, whenever we talk about the VS Code is such a powerful tool in GitHub. Okay, Tarek, yes. Mohammed Saad, yes. Okay, it's in soft nature, yes. Okay, got it. So what is a VS Code? A Gayatri, yes. Okay, now what is a VS Code? VS Code is free of cost, right? Okay, first of all, the point comes is a free of cost, but why do we use it, correct? What's the benefit, like, okay, of using that? It's a very powerful tool built for building built for like, okay, you can say coding as well as building onto the agent mode. Now nowadays agent is something, okay, when a real game ginger Kiran, okay, Prabhayam, okay, got it. So it's in kind of like what, it's an agent mode. Agent mode is which reads your code, okay, I'll show you that also. But the next gen of the code editor what we have, it's built onto the top of the VS Code. But think about your coding partner. Okay, everyone needs a coding partner, right? As in nowadays, what is that? Whenever the companies are being hiring to you, okay, whenever the companies are being hiring to you, they strictly say you one thing. Mark my point. They strictly says you one thing. On what particular code editors you're familiar with, whether it's based onto the web, whether it's based onto the app, whether it's based onto the software testing, anything, right? They simply ask you on what particular, like, okay, the code editor you are familiar with. Okay, many of us has an answer VS Code. Okay, they have one question, what if tomorrow VS Code is not working? Which another tool, alternative tool you will be using it, right? Perfect onto this also, right? So now think about like, okay, there is a coding partner, okay, one that helps you out to debug, one that helps you out to write your code, and one that helps you out to understand, right? Now quickly show me like, okay, your messages, or the like, okay, quickly just report back with your messages. Who here spends a lot of time reading others messy people, okay, messy code, actually not people's messy code, okay? Who exactly over here are being there who literally spend their time to read the people messy code? Raise your hand, or like, okay, support your like, okay, yes, I'm waiting. Quickly just let me know. Quickly. How many of you use it? The VS Code, okay, or I would say read about your partners, okay, or like friends and all, okay, the messy code. How many of you do that? Come on. Yes, got it. Getting. Everyone, right? Everyone. Every single person right now studies about it, right? A very knowledgeable thing. Now, the point is quite good. Why developers are being saying the VS Code and the Cursor AI, the superhero. Everyone has the role models in their life, right? Okay, everyone has like, okay, the superheroes into their life, whether it's your dad or mom, right? Right now, as one of the developers' point of view, in our kind of the life, the VS Code plays a vital role, okay, along with the Cursor AI. Now the point is, ma'am, you are talking about the VS Code, right? But we are doing the Cursor AI, correct? Perfectly, that's a good question. Now, what I'll be just telling to you is, while writing your codes, while writing your particular way, stop dealing with writing messy code, reading about the messy code. Let the Cursor AI play with you. Let the Cursor AI help with that, correct? Okay, it's gonna be a perfect approach, the seamlessness, okay, I would say the approach would be there. Let it play the original game what the developers are being playing right now, right? What exactly it plays, how the Cursor AI works. The Cursor AI let you to intend into the plain English. Right now, if I'll say, okay, Cursor AI, do one thing, make a portfolio website comprising of home, about us, resume, and contact me page with the skills and the footer. It's in plain kind of English I'm using it. I'll simply type, okay, this command, a simple kind of a sentence to Cursor AI. Please do this kind of work. It's in simple packed with the plain English, correct? It does not just generate your code, it will explain your like, okay, existing code. It will debug the issue, it will suggest you improvement. How many of you are being there and feel like, ma'am, while debugging the code, while correcting a code, okay, is the most difficult thing and most worst thing in this entire world. How many of you think about it? How many of you feel bored while correcting the codes and like, okay, debugging the codes and all? Come on, come on. I just need yes, 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 or no, no, no. Come on, come on, come on. Everyone, I need a proper kind of an answer. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, got it, got it. It's a mess here, correct? It generally feels like, okay, who spend that so much time on to debugging the codes? Who will be spending so amount of time in debugging the codes, correct? Okay, no, yes, no, mix of the responses are being there. Okay, got it. Yes, okay, got it. So now I will say one thing. Let's imagine like you are just writing a Python script, okay, into the web app. Instead of hours into it, okay, or Googling, you can simply ask the cursor. And what you love is the shortcuts, correct? What you love is the shortcuts. Now, some of the key features are being there. Then we will be just proceeding with your, I would say, installation of the cursor array, and we will write some of the commands, correct? Now, there is a smart auto completions are being there. Cursor AI is the tool which saves you 70% of the coding time. So some of the people are saying like not boring, but it takes a lot of time. It's natural. See, the developers who we are, right? Okay, over here we love to solve the errors, right? Okay, we love to solve the debugging and all. It will automatically like, okay, strong our brain, okay, onto it. But the point is, sometimes we do not need to see like, okay, what logic we are applying. Sometimes we need to see what shortcut we wanted, right? Okay, what shortcut we are just applying it. And smart auto completion save your 70% of the coding time. Secondly is semantic search. That is basically it lets the Google, okay, to search about your code bases. Like, okay, let's say if I'll search it, okay, over here I need a footer about, okay, me. So it will write everything about the codes, correct? Okay, every single thing about the codes and everything, correct? And then it's an instant about the code fixes. It will automatically detect, it will automatically fix your codes and everything, right? Now, which of these are being the most frustration, okay, for you, and it will save your time? According to me, it is basically the command generation, because it will take a bit of time, okay, and we need to be very much have the patience about that, right? Okay, over here. Now, some of the real world use cases into our generation, definitely it's there. That we wanted to go with something at a very fast pace. Right now, if I'll say I will say like I need to be very much quick. I need to be very much quick in everything regarding each and every perspective, right? But the point is not that, okay, how importantly I'll be just giving the input. Let's say if I'm just giving an input, okay, right now only I'll just give an input that I want a blanket, okay, web page, or I need a blanket web app, correct? It will be already going to generate the entire code, okay, but it will still ask you like, okay, that what type of feature you required it, what type of like, okay, the terminologies you wanted, what type of, okay, text tags you wanted to generate, and so things, correct? Now, obviously visual movement, correct? Now, what happens into the visual movements? That experiencing the natural language processing, okay, which is being there, where the code is going to become instant without a single kind of, I would say, a single kind of a command you need to write it, right? Now, after all, benefits for the developers, right? Benefits for the developer will come only on to building the feature, okay? Now, what are all the primarily kind of the programming languages you people use? Come on, give me an answer about it. What all the primarily kind of, I would say, features you use? A programming, like, okay, tech stacks you use and all. Okay, I'll tell you what is the natural language processing also, but I'm just asking you right now, what is the primarily kind of natural languages or the just programming languages you use. It's for 1 hour right now. Pallavi. Yes, we are starting with that. Now, what is an NLP also? NLP means the natural language processing. It's a field of like, okay, AI, which is given by a computer to understand. Like, this is my machine. Like, okay, I'll just give a quick kind of a thing. Like, please tell me that what is this machine made of. So I'm saying, and it is responding me back, right? Python, CPP, Java, C. Okay, got it. C, Python, CPP, Java. Okay, Pallavi, Nadir, Anandi, Vishnu, Mohammed Saad. Okay, JavaScript, Aditya Saini. Okay, got it. Saimvardhan, got it. Vishal and Namu, right? Okay, very good about it. Yes, perfect. Now, future of the AI is very much good onto it. That's basically cursor as being pushing us towards the natural languages, right? Okay, you want it. Now, do you really see trusting onto AI? Definitely yes, correct. Do you really wanted to make your app? Yes, we all wanted to make it. Okay, now what we wanted is to get ready to code smarter. Okay, how many of you are being excited to go with the cursor AI? Please click onto the heart below. Okay, make a reaction. Make a reactions, please, everyone. Come on, everyone. Make a reactions, please. How many of you are excited to make, okay, the cursor AI? How many of you are being really going to be get excited for like starting with the cursor AI? Come on. I just need the reactions, please. Come on. Getting more reactions. Okay. Very good. Perfect. So a lot of reactions are being there. I need more reactions, please. How many of you are being excited, ready to code smarter? Come on. Very good. Okay, good. So just write it, okay, excited into the comment section, everyone, please. Write it and please subscribe to the Smarted YouTube channel. Every single day we are starting with really good things, a really good bootcamp series and all for the cursor AI. Please subscribe to this channel, and also you wanted to refer all of the videos which is being presented over here, every single thing. Okay, got it. Excited, very nice about it. Okay, let's just start with it then. Let's just begin. So I really found it like, okay, very good kind of a responses, right? Okay, now we are all ready to start with everything you wanted to and you have joined for. Okay, very good. Okay, so what we wanted to start it now is we have to write it cursor AI. Okay, what we need to just write it is the cursor AI. Okay, so the moment you're gonna write it the cursor AI, you need to start with downloading the cursor AI. Let's just download the cursor AI for whatever the machine you have. Okay, whatever the machine you have, okay, does not matter for whatever the machines you have. That basically, if you are being using the Mac OS, if you're using the Windows, any of the machine, it's all comfortable, right? Now you just need to download it. It will auto fetch your device. Okay, it will just auto fetch your devices and everything, and it will show you that these kinds of devices you wanted to write it. Okay, you can just check your comments, okay, for which you need to download it. I had already pinned, okay, this message. Okay, I've already pinned this message. Okay, the moment I hope it's been downloaded. Quickly just take it 2 minutes, okay, to download it. Quickly just take it, okay, your 2 minutes. quickly do it so fast. Okay, the moment you download it, the moment you have downloaded this Cursor AI, now what is the next thing you need to do is, next thing is, once the download is being completed, you need to just go for installations and everything, and the moment the installation is being done, quickly just open this Cursor AI. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. I hope you are all able to open the Cursor AI similar to this. Okay, and the moment you are done, just quickly make one folder and just rename it. So I'll write it Smarted Web App. I'll write it Smarted Web App. Okay, so the moment you are done, okay, and you have to open this Cursor AI, okay, this will look like this. Okay, this will just probably gonna be looking like this. Okay, sure, Nadir, I would say just get back to your kind of questions also, that how the Cursor AI differs from the all other websites and everything, the tools and all. I'll just get back to this also. Okay, got it. Now, now Nadir has a question that how just the Cursor AI is being better, right? Any tool, okay, we can compare, right? Okay, any other tool. Now, what makes Cursor AI the brilliant? Okay, one question is more. What if the Cursor AI is not there, okay, tomorrow? Okay, do we have any kind of the options? Do we have any kind of the alternatives? Definitely yes. We have the Replit, we have a lot of other tools are being there, right? And see, nowadays people are being using kind of like some tools very less, because that's getting out of trend. Okay, that's getting out of trends and everything. But the question is that, ma'am, like today the Cursor AI is the king of everything, but tomorrow if like it's not working, so what to do? Correct? Makes a sense. We have another things. The Cursor AI is the king of every certain tools and all, because it has the integrated chat, it has like, okay, the privacy, it has the data handling, it has the better auto completion, okay, it has like, okay, the context of understanding, it has like, I would say, power multi-file edits. Okay, now if you wrote one code and you wrote it into the React and you want to work on Express also, you need to work on to like Node.js also, definitely yes. Okay, it will work on multiple files and all, and I'll show you some of the shortcuts also which you can apply it. Very first thing what you need to do it is just click onto your file. Okay, make it an autosave. Okay, make it an autosave. Now once you make it, now it will ask you what kind of how do you connect, okay, this all the things. So you can go with the settings. I hope you can see my cursor. It is on a very right section. That's open the settings. Okay, the moment you will be just doing it, open the settings and everything. There is manage the accounts. Okay, you will just go with manage the account, open that. Okay, the moment you will open it, I'll show you. Hold a sec. Okay, so the moment you will go with that, it will open this page that is basically there, the dashboard. Okay, what is it? The dashboards. Now remember one thing more, that only some kind of the credentials, only some kind of the credits are free of cost. You do not need to pay any single amount of penny. You do not need to do it. And one thing more which you need to do it is connect to your GitHub. Manage your GitHub. Okay, there you will be able to see it connect option. Correct, over here you will be able to see the connect option. Okay, and the moment you will be seeing the connect option with the GitHub, okay, some sort of the photograph is being there, so that's the main reason you're not able to do it. Okay, now what you just need to do, okay, over here is that the moment you will see, okay, this option, whatever it's being there, it's basically the manage the accounts and all. Okay, you will be able to see the open, okay, manage the account and open and all. Okay, and the moment you will go with that, it will show you free plan. That's it. You don't need to pay any kind of a pro Okay, you don't need to pay any kind of ultra or anything like that. Okay, the free kind of an account you're gonna use it. If later on your credits are going to get applicable, the full credits are going to get applicable, you are going to change, okay, one thing that's known as the email id. You are just going to switch the email ids. Okay, you are just definitely going to use the email id. Okay, the reason is that you have, or you are not going to use until or unless any paid tools, okay, when it is being required. Okay, if it is being required, that's good. If it is not being required, do not use it. Okay, okay, do not use it. Okay, it's not gonna be required until or unless you have been there, right? Okay, now the what is the next thing? Now go back to your this particular cursor AI, cross this, open a project. I have told you, like, okay, you can make a free empty kind of a folder, that smarted web app. Okay, you can make one free kind of or empty kind of. This is basically folder. Go back to your cursor AI, open a project, just typically write it or open this particular way, that's smarted. Okay, open it. The moment you are just going to open it, it will show you that this is basically your app. Okay, now do you really see that I have written even a single line of code? Do you really see, like, okay, I have written a single line of code right now? No, I haven't even made any kind of I would say that's the lines also, right? How many of you are being onto the same page where I am? How many of you are being onto the same page where I am right now? Please raise your hand, or like, okay, write yes. Come on, come on, come on, everyone. Okay, got it. Got it, got it. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, let me know. I'll discuss that, and then let's start coding it. Okay, not coding, writing the commands. Please let me know, please. Now you will be saying, ma'am, from where does this come? New chat, correct? You have to go with click the third icon on the right side, the toggle AI panel. This is the AI which is playing the major role. This is the AI which is being definitely there, and you just need to select this agent. Okay, that's it. Nothing you need to go with anything else, and that is going to be the auto. Okay, and speed, whatever it is, like, okay. And right now you will be able to click on the cloud for sonnet only, because rest of them is somewhat paid also, right? Okay, please let me know. Okay, I hope that is basically there. Okay, got it, got it. Any questions, please? Any questions to anyone? Any questions, please let me know. Yes, it's very powerful. It's very powerful. Okay, the cursor is really powerful. No, Rashi, you don't need to go with, like, okay, pro. It will simply say you the free of cost one. Okay, got it, got it, got it. Not now, the attendance form you will get it at the somewhat 5 minutes prior. Okay, while we end the class and all. Chalo, let's start with it. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, got it. Now, if you are able to see this, right? Okay, if you're able to just go with that, MongoDB and everything, it's a later on thing. Okay, we will do it. Now, what you just need to do it is, there is a quick kind of the terminal setups are being there. A quick kind of a terminal setups, okay, that you need to do it. Okay, now the point is quite good. The point is quite good and all. Okay, I need to just start with the cursor commands instead of writing any sort of codes. Okay, is it not for Android, ma'am? See, this is basically what you do. Yes, yes, I'm gonna give it to you. This is basically kind of what it is being there, right? Okay, or like, okay, um, the point what you need to write, okay, over here is that if it relates, correct? Okay, if it relates and everything, correct? Now what we are making now, okay, sounds good. Like, okay, you are being asking and everything, like, okay, what we are just making, right? Now you all have saw, okay, everything as an of Amazon. I'll show you the Amazon. Okay, I hope everyone has saw that. Yes, correct. This is the Amazon, correct? Every single thing is being presented. The logo is there, the headers are being there. This is like, okay, the search icon, this is the nav bars and everything, right? Each of them is looking literally good, right? Okay, literally good. It automates, right? It automates to generate everything quickly, right? Now it will be telling you, okay, and it will just let you know about, like, okay, how exactly it makes, correct? I wanted these kinds of an images, these kinds of an cards, okay, these kinds of every single point. And if you see this photo, okay, you can see it's pretty good, but I haven't made it, to be honest. If I'll say, I haven't made it and all, right? Okay, who made it is being made by some developers, correct? Yes, definitely it happens. Like, okay, it will just reduce some sort of kind of the interest, okay, if we are using some AI and everything, correct? But the point is not that, okay, that who or what it leads towards, correct? Okay, what it exactly leads for, okay, and all. The point is that what we are making it, we are making some e-commerce websites, okay? We are making just kind of an e-commerce websites and everything. Okay, how many of you know about what is an e-commerce? We have a 5 days, Palvi. You need to just go with something like, okay, very good. Okay, you are going to learn very really good. We have a 5 days. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, how many of you know about what is an e-commerce? How many of you do that? Come on, everyone. Okay. Okay. Anandi Gupta. Okay, what you need to do it is, Anandi. Go with the settings. Okay. Open your account, manage the account and everything. It will somewhat look like this. Okay, I'll open it. Okay, it will somewhat look like this, right? And it will just automatically tell you limited tab completions and agent, and it's already a free of cost. Okay, it's definitely already a free of cost to test that. Okay, you don't need to open any more time. Perfect. Now let's start with it. E-commerce, correct? For selling, for like, okay, it's in kind of a selling websites, correct? Now I'll simply write it some command, some sort of setups, okay, and everything, that I need to make some sort of points, right? Now what is the websites? Website are the place, okay, or website is the platform, correct? I would say which helps you out, and which helps you out to make some really good kind of pages, correct? A collection of all the pages. Let me just tell you, let's say there is, okay, let's open the company's website, the Smarted website. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you this website. So how beautifully this website has been made, correct? How beautifully this website has been made, right? So it has all the logo. This is the smarted logo. This is what, like, okay, it is being showing the all courses. You can purchase the courses for the better kind of, like, okay, the knowledge you wanted. Okay, you can also just have, okay, you just also have something like really good kind of what the technically or non-technically, okay, courses you wanted to purchase it, right? Now it has a multiple kind of a pages. Okay, it has a multiple kind of pages and everything too. Now this is the this is basically the website which is being representing the logo right now. This is the nav bar. Okay, and this entire kind of the page, whatever you can see right now, it's being known for what? This is an hero section. This is an hero section with the header. This is an intro header. Okay, this is an intro header, and this is the image which is being maintained, correct? This is an image which is being maintained and everything, right? And if you go down, there is basically the project, okay, or you can say program cards. This is known as program cards. Okay, this is also known as a program cards and everything, right? Now you can also just, when you click onto it, you will be taken to some sort of, like, okay, I would say the pages. You are going to be taken to the some sort of the pages and everything, right? And then this is being represented, and you can also explore it. Okay, you can definitely also explore it and all, right? The alumni are working over here, and so pages. This is entirely what exactly it is being providing, right? And this is the footer, okay, which is having all the detailings, right? This is the, I would say, the social media icons and everything, correct? Smarted website made by the cursor. No, but it's technically there, right? Okay, with the help of technology itself, right? Codings and all. So will it be work on resume? Like, okay, if it depends upon you whether you wanted to build your resume, whether you wanted to build any sort of it. Okay, any sort of it. Perfect, got it. Perfect. Now let's make one sort of the e-commerce websites, correct? Okay. Okay, just give me a I would say your sort of points, like what you are looking forward, any kind of the website, or you wanted to do, like, okay, your portfolios and everything. Let me know about it. Come on. Okay. Got it. Now let's make it somewhat. I'll make it one e-commerce website right now. Okay, onto the cursor AI. So let's start writing the commands. Okay, please open the new chat. Okay, I'll just write it one command. Please create one React.js project. Now what is in React.js, right? Okay, React.js is also known as the UI friendly, right? Is the React.js front end or the back end? Obviously, it uses onto the both front end and the back end development. Like, it's a framework to the Next.js, right? Okay. But what is the purpose of the React? The primary purpose is to facilitate the creation of the interactive dynamic UIs, correct? The full stack website we're gonna make it, right? And in this we will include the backend also. Now let me just write one command that is known as please create a new React.js project using Vite. Now Vite, what is in Vite basically is, you should know about like small terminologies, that's it, nothing more than that. Vite is a tool to build your React project. Vite is being used to create the fast and learning kind of a project based onto it. Okay, so I'm just writing it, please create a new project, React.js project using the Vite or the Vite, okay, named, okay, somewhat e-commerce. Okay, I have written that, okay, it should be having the name, okay, smarted web app. Under that, okay, we have e-commerce, right? Add the tailwind. Now what is a tailwind? It's in CSS. Okay, that's again the tailwind is being there, that's in CSS. So I'll write it, add the tailwind also. Okay, CSS configurations. Okay, and then initialize the repo. I will be initializing with the help of get. Okay, so I have written like, okay, please initialize the repository. Okay, somewhat like that. Okay, so now the moment I have written this, okay, this particular way, okay, if now, okay, I'll tell you. Now it is saying me that please upgrade to the paid kind of a plan to use these models, right? Okay, please use that. If I'll delete, okay, if I'll just go with the agent, okay, and this is basically auto. Okay, now if I'll just put it, okay, still it will be just take a time. Okay, it will just take a time, it will just make it the planning the next moves, correct? It will just make a next moves. But do not worry about it. Every single thing is being sorted. Now it is being saying that, okay, it has already started making your project. It already have started making your project. Now you can see that every single thing is happening itself. Every single thing is being happening itself, right? Okay, you are not writing any sort of codes. Okay, you're not writing it. You can see this open in terminal. Let's open in the terminal and you will be able to see like this. Okay, you are able to see it like this. Okay, processing and all, right? Okay, let it run. Okay, let it run. Okay, let's go with it. Now it will just give you an error, a bit of the error that this is not gonna happen, right? Okay, some npm issue is being there, and automatically when it gives you the error, it will automatically gonna get solved. Okay, it is automatically gonna solve. Yeah, it's very bad for like, okay, developers if AI is ruling the whole world, right? Okay, the time is all of the AI. Everyone, developers are nowadays like, let's use the AI itself, right? Now if you see that, okay, it is automatically running, right? Okay, automatically it will fetch the errors, okay, whatever the errors it has, right? It will correct it out. But sometimes you get the tailwind configuration one errors and all, okay, and it will give you a problem. Now click onto this icon, okay, onto the very kind of like, okay, arrow button. Click onto this. Your whole project is being ready. Not ready, the project directories are being ready, not the project that is being ready. The project kind of the directory, the folders and everything, it's being ready. Okay, if you just observe this, I have just written one line of code. I've just written, okay, one line of code and all. Every single thing is being happening. Every single thing is happening from where? It is happening to the Cursor AI. It is the only way, right? From like, okay, making your project repo, right? Starting from making your project folders and everything, towards setting it up, towards installing, towards, I would say, running the code. Every single thing has a work with what? Towards the Cursor AI. And one thing more, you notice that it is showing me 8.2 right now over here, the percentage, right? What is this percentage? Okay, and how I am just getting to know is this is the percentage I'm able to see is how much uses I have done of the Cursor AI. Just check. Prior I was getting an error. Now every single thing is sorted. Every single thing is sorted. You can run this website right now, the template of this website onto this particular way. These commands, okay, which is being there, okay, and if I'll say that, okay, please run this kind of, okay, I'll say one thing more, okay, run this project, okay, and show the output link, show and tell me the link it's visible. Okay, tell me the, I would say, this kind of the link where I can see my project, right? It will give you basically a kind of what? A file, okay? It will give you that. Come on. You can see this? It is saying could not find this file and all, okay, the smarted and all. Planning for the next move. Let it work. Okay, you just need to sit comfortably and all, and every single thing this AI is going to do it. Okay, this every single thing the AI is going to do it. Okay, first of all it will see like, okay, what is the alternative, okay, where I can see and so thing. I will check planning the next moves. Okay, let it plan the next moves, correct? It is also saying like, okay, the server is being running on so ports. Okay, it's being running on so port. Let it run. Okay, right? Okay, now let it see like, okay, what output it gives to us. can we edit it by, yes, you can edit the code, okay, yourself. Does not matter, you can edit it. Let it just plan the next moves, and all. Now it will just give you like, okay, some sort of like, okay, here and all, the particularly like, okay, it will run. Now it is saying it is running into the terminal. Finally you get the output. If you wanted to detect this and that, let it be. Let's just open this link and see whether we are just trying to run it or not. Okay, this is somewhat okay, the plugging issue is being there. Sort the issue of errors I have and run my project, which is inside I would just smart it web app, and the name of my project is e-commerce. Okay, right now, so obviously you did not have made any kind of the changes, right? Okay, any kind of the changes and everything, but I would say just wait. Okay, it will just tell you like, okay, where it exactly gonna happen. Attendance I'll give it to you, don't worry. We still have like, okay, time, don't worry about it. So it will diagnose now. Okay, every single thing it will diagnose, it will install, okay, it will run, it will start every single thing. And it will also tell you that it's running some sort of the ports. Yes, correct, Pallavi. It requires some sort of patience as well as prompting skills. But it is not like, okay, you should be grammatically correct. Okay, it should not be like that. You should have just a bit of like, okay, what exactly you wanted to know with that. If you need to stop me or restart the server, okay, just tell me. Okay, now it's being saying it's okay. Okay, it's totally fine. Okay, it says like, okay, it's running some sort of okay onto this, totally fine, because we have an issue. Okay, because we haven't even run any single thing, any single code. Okay, over there we haven't routed any sort of codes. Okay, now what is the next thing? What we are just gonna put onto the next thing is, let's say, into any kind of an e-commerce websites. Let's say this is any kind of an e-commerce website is being there, right? Let me just open it off. Any website, we can just take it. Okay, some sort of designs we can see. Okay, let it be this website. So it's saying some psychological designs are being there, right? Or instead of going somewhere else, let's quickly see one website which is like this. Okay, you are able to see it, and we are gonna make it, okay, the website like this. We are just gonna make the website like this, a very unique. So you can see this is a music oriented, right? There is a logo, there is a search bar, and this is a nav bar, right? Okay, over here every single thing is being there, right? Now you have the images, you have the cards and everything, and also you have some sort of this particular way, right? Now what exactly going to happen, what exactly why it is being there and all, it is just gonna look like, okay, what you wanted to write it. Okay, just wanted to write it, okay, any single sort of thing, and we are gonna make our e-commerce website somewhat a very 3D into the mode, a very 3D into the mode. How many of you are being excited to go with it? How many of you are being excited to go with it? Tomorrow, the session 2, we are all set. We are all set to make, okay, your website really good, oriented, a very good oriented website. We are actually starting with the next level of commands. Okay, next level of commands. Come on, say me yes or no. I'm just sharing with you the feedback form. Okay, please fill this off. And if you're not gonna fill this feedback form, okay, you are not going to be able to get your certificates. It's mandatory. It's mandatory for each and every person. Okay, it's mandatory. You're gonna fill this feedback form and you are able to receive the certificates. And please do not miss any sort of, I would say, the session. Do not just go with that. I've already pinned this kind of the link, okay, onto your chat. You can have a look. Please have a look. Any questions to anyone, let me know. Let's discuss your questions too. And this is how it will run your particular way. It has the src file where we have assets. That's the important kind of files if required. You have the app.css, we have app.tss, okay, and every single thing. Attendance link, again you can just type. I have already typed it once again. Please have a look. It's all working. It's all working. So what you can do it, okay, over here is you can just, tomorrow we will be making one more front end, okay, a bit of the front end codes and everything, and then we will start with the back end also. Then we will start with the back end, okay. It's in short back end, nothing else is being required. So you can just put your name, you can put your email ID, contact number, WhatsApp numbers and everything, college name, and then you can also put your current year of study, okay, batch streams, whatever the batch streams you have, the state, okay. And after all, please take a moment to write the feedback. Please write the feedbacks also, right? Okay, and submit it. Attendance link is all working. It's all working. It's all perfectly working. Please have a look. It's all working. So you can just click onto this, I would say, pin comment, and you can open this, and it's working, okay? Come on, everyone. Let me know if any questions are being there. And I will also give you this drive link, okay, of particular PPTs and everything. If you want it, okay, you can access it. Okay. I hope everyone is good to go with the things. Every single person is good to go with the things, right? You can put anything, not here. You can put anything. Don't worry. Perfect. Okay then, thank you everyone. Take care, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot. Please have a good day and please keep well. Okay. Stay safe and all. Okay, thank you guys.